HTV is found on Amazon. Uy, fucking spit everywhere. Oh my god. Oh my god. Fancy ones over here. Like solid colors. I'll never let go. I'll never let go. Hunchback of Notre Dame over here, dude. It just feels so ugh. Fucking lean to this side, dude. What the f? Yeah, I need to turn it. I need focus. Oh, mother. Ouch. Oh, poke my eye out. Oh my god, look.
What?
It's coming off.
Oh god.
What's that supposed to say?
Jesus.
Oh, you don't? Ni se quedó abierta.
They're fucked up.
Hmm?
They're fucked up.
Wait, it's because I almost fell. Let's do another one. My cricket foot, dude.
Here we go.
I want to be 30 and flirty and thriving. What does she say? Go.
Put them on.
Put them on.
Her fingernails are all dirty. They're sorry.
It's just so funny.
Can you Photoshop fingernails?
Yeah, you guys are good. You guys want to hold hands? Huh?
If you know how I feel, why would you say that?
Okay.
Everyone wave to the camera. Turn around.
Wave to the camera.
Christian, wave to the camera. Start
Ale.
over there. And
Ale, wave
Oh,
to
you
the camera.
got in the way.
Alright, stop it.
Shut the fuck up, Liz.
This wide doesn't mean it's focused. You need that one.
Ugh, shut the fuck up, you fat bitch. Torta.
Oh, we should fix a ponytail like a close up. Because I want also closer shots. Just
Alright.
ready? When I turn, you come in.
I don't even know how to fix her.
Do future people say peace?
Future?
She's from the future. Maybe not.
I wouldn't know, fool. I'm not there yet. Let's try to get hectic in the real thing. You ready for King? Wait up, stand by. And let's go. Chris.
Can you turn around?
Hey,
Can you turn around and look at me?
Chris, turn around. Chris, look up.
Over here.
Kristen, what's up?
Okay, walk towards me. Ale, walk towards me. Turn around.
Ready, action. Turn around.
Turn around.
Flip
Flip your hair. Flip your hair.
Now flip your hair.
Flip your hair. Go like this. Say go team. Look at the camera.
Yes, there you go.
Do it again.
Go. Smile, mommy. The big smile. The happy one. There you go.
How do they all weed? So, oh my god. God damn, I just can't fucking get into it. So. Dude, I can't even fucking talk. God damn. What the f? It's like my fucking words freeze, dude. So yeah, if you're interested to see my thoughts on if you're interested to see
Oh.
That's fine, they're not gonna do anything.
Now come over here.
Come over here. Alright, let's turn around. Turn around.
And walk. Look at me. Let's do some in that shade really fast.
Alright. Action.
Okay, just keep going.
Yeah.
Well, no, see. Oh my god. Kind of compares. My arm. Fold it.
Fold it up.
Fold it up. That's perfect.
You like Sprite?
Yes.
You actually like Sprite? I love it too. Alright, ready? You're gonna do the thing right now. Ready? And now look at me. And you do that.
That's good right there. You gonna punch someone? Who are you gonna punch? Me? Why are you gonna punch me?
Okay, walk slowly. Now turn around and see me. There you go. Now I'm gonna walk towards you, and then when I tell you to turn around, you turn around, okay? Turn around.
Flip your hair. Flip your hair.
Fix your. There you go.
Oh,
Yes.
Like this?
Yes, girl.
Like this?
Go
Hey,
like
in
that.
the wind. Stay there, okay?
Look at. Go like this to the
Go
camera.
like this.
Get your glasses
There you
and
go.
go like this. Look at. Now fix your hair.
And go ahead.
Give me a C.
Give me a C. Give
me
me an
an
A.
Give me an
M. Give me an
an
Look at
I.
the camera. Look at the camera. Look, give me another L. You say,
Wait, we
give
need
me
to
an
fix your
A.
shirt. Say, what does that spell?
Say, what is
What
that?
does that spell? Camila.
Your shoes are getting cut off, is that alright?
How's it closing?
I mean, it is what it is.
Open?
Oh, wait, stop. Stand by. Stand by. Hold that pose longer, the one over there.
This one?
Oh, the other one.
Like this?
Yeah. A little bit more. Turn your body. Turn your body. More. There you go. Ready and action.
Wait, do it again. Do it.
Stand by.
Okay, stop. Wait, dude, you could see this thing.
You guys can walk a little faster.
Walk faster.
There you go.
Turn around.
That's plenty of time.
I know, turn around.
Can I just go to the bathroom?
Yeah. Alright. Oh, please don't look at me.
Cool.
Ready? But one more. Can you do a picture?
Do it again.
Damn. Like, I feel like, how many times do you say f***ing like, dude? % honest? And so I narrowed it down. Narrowed. I don't know how to say that word. Narrowed. It has a 15 by 15 platen? Platen? Do you see that word?
Platen.
Platen? That's honestly a little bit heavy for me, because homegirl, like, look at me. Scrawny little arms, but yeah. But either way. I don't even know what else to do. I don't even know what to do, dude. I don't even know what else to do.
Sit. Remember.
Ah, damn, I don't even know what to do anymore. Ready? And walk with me.
Wave to the camera.
Wave to the camera. Bye.